semalam kita orang tengok I barai gila. I dah lambat sebenarnya. I bangun lewat tadi because I slept late last night because of the goddamn cinema. Okay, so alamak, mak aku call kejap This is the cake. It's the place that I ordered. Dekat Melawati. Oh my god, I can't wait to. So cute. Update to 23. It is so cute. Hi guys, so I've changed my tudung. Okay, as I was saying just now, I'm in a rush. Okay, dah balik lewat semalam, dah tengok wayang, whatever. Lepas tu, alamak, bangun lambat. Bangun lambat pagi tadi. Sekejap, aku dah jam dah. Otak aku stop kat mana tadi? Bangun lambat pagi tadi. Okay, lepas tu aku untuk ambil kek I pukul 12.30, which is just now. Lepas tu sekarang ni I nak rush pergi job I kat rumah klien dekat Ampang je, 1:30. And now it's like 1:08, 18 minit. So I'm in a rush. And then tapi job ni sekejap je, for like 2 hours. And then I'll come back. And there's a lot of things to do today, but everything's like in a rush, you know. Lepas ni I nak kena repair, I kena bawa kereta ni pergi betulkan lampu. Lepas tu dah. So it's like during the day it's like very hectic gila babi. But during the night macam tak ada hal apa pun. Kalau lah kedai servis tu buka sampai malam, elok je. So since this vlog is a little bit of hamba, I am going to show, and by the way, excuse my ugly face, I am going to show you the present. Not a present. If you watched my yesterday's vlog, I went to KLCC with my parents, and I am going to show you what did I bought there. So without further ado, let's go. We have a bunch of here, and also this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with this one. This is from Uniqlo. So I bought the normal white t-shirt. This is from the kids section. See, kids, 150 tu maksudnya ketinggian 150. Let me try to open it for you guys. I've used this baju for a long time. I memang suka kain dia. I suka pakai kalau pakai macam blazer ke, or underneath or something. As an inner also can. Macam kalau dekat inner neck ni, sebab dia tertutup tau, dia dekat atas. So obviously I bought the white one and the black one. I dah memang ada black and white, tapi I nak beli lagi sebab I love it. And satu lagi, colour dia dah runtuh yang lama punya. So this is how it looks like. As I was saying, dia high up dekat sini. So kalau you pakai turban and baju you macam terlalu nampak dekat area dada ni, sini, you can always wear like this. And also it's short sleeve, so tak adalah rasa panas sangat. Unless if you want to wear an inner long sleeve inner, that would be okay. Tapi macam I tak suka pakai baju lengan panjang dengan inner yang berlengan panjang, faham tak? Sebab dia dah tertutup. So I like to wear something like this, like a normal t-shirt like this. Okay, surprisingly dulu masa I beli, size dia, maybe sebab I dah banyak kali cuci kot baju tu, so dia dah nampak macam kecil. Dia macam ronyok kecil macam tu, faham tak? Tak faham tak apalah. The black one, like so. Okay, then I bought the AZREEN inner. This is UV protection high neck long sleeve, or high neck like a turtleneck macam tu. If you guys know, you know I recently wear turban, not most of the time. This is in the white color. I bought two as well. This is in the white color, and this is in the size M. I didn't bought size S because I'm afraid that it's too tight, so I bought size M. Although size M ni pun macam kecil, so nasib lah I beli size M. I love to wear this, and also kalau you berpeluh dia absorb, tau tak? I don't know if y'all have worn Airism punya inner, tapi memang best gila. Memang best. I also bought the skin color So this is another one. Ta-da! Ada internet. Alright. Next, I'm gonna show you Pandora. This one I bought it like last week, tapi I macam simpan because I bought it for me. So yeah, I'm just gonna save it for my birthday. So I bought 2 items. I bought a ring and also a bracelet. Cincin ni ada cerita sebenarnya kenapa I beli, sebab last year my mom gave me a ring from Pandora, tapi it got lost. I don't know where it went. I rasa my cousin pergi main cincin tu sampai hilang. I tak tahu dah pergi mana. So I bought a new one, and my mom didn't know about that ring. So I figured it out, why not if I just buy it on my own. The ring is dia macam tebal sikit, and also the stones only cover half of the ring, not the whole entire ring. Can you get what I mean? There. Nampak tak? Very sweet, very me. Tiba. I also bought a bracelet from Pandora. Not the usual bracelet yang you put charm on it. I bought a different one. Wait, I'll show you. This one. This is called Pandora Me, I guess. I can't recall the name, but I guess it's Pandora Me. You can also put charms in it, but not the usual charms where you put on your normal yang banglet tu. Wait, let me show you the normal one, because this is my bangle Pandora one. I have like a lot of charms in it, and also wait, hold on, yeah. I have too much accessories. Look at my jewelry box, full of accessories. So this is the normal one, okay, and the ones that I showed you earlier on, it's okay. Can you see the difference of the bangle, the gelang? Okay, this is the oldest one. My mom gave this to me like a while ago. I can't remember when. And then this one, banyak charm ni. And then I bought this one on my own. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna wear it. So it's very easy to put on. You just clip it like this. Dia ada clip ni, clipper dia. Nampak tak? Ada clipper dia. Tapi I susah nak pakaikan. So this is the bracelet, the silver ones, okay? Don't look at the gold ones. The gold one is, itu cerita lain, nanti I cerita. So this is the gelang. Very simple. Nampak macam tak adalah rempit sangat, okay? With this gelang, you can also macam tukar-tukar charm dia. So charm dia macam ni. So if you guys can see, there's a mini love right there. You can change it up. You can buy a new charm. Surprisingly, charm dia murah je, around 89 something. And the bracelet is also not that quite expensive lah. If you ask me, silver or gold, I really cannot choose. Like, I love silver, but at the same time, I like gold. So, yeah. Moving on, I got this big paper bag from YSL. This one, I collected my birthday points. My birthday reward, which is the 10% off. I bought a perfume, which is this one, YSL Libre. This is the Intense, and if you guys can see, I engraved my name, AZREENAJIHAH. Oh. I always get compliment. No, I don't get compliments, but sebab I baru je pakai. Tapi from I read on the reviews that my friend gave me, and also the reviews on the website, people always get compliment wearing that perfume. So yeah, by the way, this is the box, normal box. If you guys ask for their birthday gift, they will give you this box as well, okay? So don't worry, everything is covered. You don't have to pay for this box. But also, if you want to give it to someone who is on birthday, you can also ask them with no extra charge. Also, they gave me this small Le Parfum. This is the newest one. So you can see the bottle inside there. Ta-da! That is the bottle. very small, so you can try it on your own. And they also, by the way, they also gave me this gold bracelet, if you guys can see. And then they gave me this YSL Pure Shots Night Reboot Serum. It's a serum from YSL. Kalau korang beli daripada YSL, you're not just getting the item that you paid, but you also get some other stuff. Also from YSL, so this one I went yesterday with my parents. I macam minta dengan dia a new lipstick. So again, they also gave me this free Le Parfum miniature perfume and the lipstick itself. So I am so in love with this lipstick. By the way, this is the Slim Velvet Radical. This is in the shade 301. And also, it engraved my name there, AN.Aziam. AZREENAJIHAH, Aziam. Okay, so this is the shade. If you guys wanted to know the shade, you guys can watch my previous vlog. And what you can get inside, this is only amount that you will get. Okay, can you see? Okay, and I like it because the component itself, it's in black color, so it's like very chic. Next and last item is from Sephora. Oh, before Sephora, I went to Guardian as well because I want to pick up my normal eyeliner, which I use every single time. This is the Maybelline ones. High end ke, low end ke, drugstore or tempat mahal ke, I always go for the Maybelline ones. This is the red cap, the black one, red cap. Okay, ingat this one korang beli, korang takkan menyesal and korang akan suka sampai mampus. Also, I bought the Maybelline Colossal Kajal. This is an eye pencil, a black eye pencil. I like to color my waterline with a black color just to make my eyes a little bit pop up, you know, because like my eyes is very sepet. And if you didn't put anything on your eyes, it will be, your face will look dull. So you need like an extra something. Always use my eyeliner. That is like my go-to makeup. Kalau nak pilih one type of makeup that I would survive, is only eyeliner or maybe concealer. No, I think eyeliner. Concealer I boleh pass on, but eyeliner is a must. Okay, kalau tak reti, belajar, banyak kali buat, mesti dapat. Okay, this is Silkygirl No Sebum Mineral Powder. I ran out my powder. I have a lot of powders, but I always bring out whenever I go traveling. No, okay, macam tidur rumah member ke apa ke, so I always bring out this one. So I ran out of this and I bought a new one. Okay, next and lastly is from Sephora. So here's the thing, I only want to buy 3 items from Sephora, but I only got 2, and the item that I really wanted the most is sold out. And you guess what? It's Rare Beauty. So I wanted the blusher from Rare Beauty, but I don't know, like even Sephora, KLCC pun sold out though. The only thing you can get is only on their website, or maybe you can search dekat Shopee or any reseller, not reseller, like macam ada orang yang jual makeup dari luar negara tu, you guys can buy from that. But I just found out that Rare Beauty at Sephora app is more cheaper. I would say dia macam ada markdown punya sale tu tak. So I place order there in the app, in the Sephora app, for the blusher only lah. I was like confused to buy either the concealer or the foundation. So fikir-fikir kejap, because the concealer is small than the foundation. So I was thinking of buying the foundation instead, sebab I have a lot of concealers. Yeah, I bought the foundation. I also bought the mascara because I read from the reviews the mascara is so good, and probably one of the cheapest mascara, considered that this is high end and dekat Sephora. So this is like the cheapest one, because even Fenty Beauty pun tak sama harga dengan this one. Harga this one 100 solid 100. Fenty Beauty I guess 110 or something like that. And then NARS of course exceed, and then also Benefit pun dah exceed. Memang kau takkan dapat lah 100 ni. Surprisingly, the Rare Beauty, considered this is from Selena, Miss Girl Selena, Rare Beauty pula tu 100. baiklah korang pergi beli. I jenis yang kalau beli makeup high end, I akan baca review and I will watch some YouTube videos. So you don't have to spend a lot of money. Kalau benda tu worth it for you, then you buy. Okay, this is the one. Can you see the one? And it's big, so you will get a lot. I also bought the Liquid Touch Weightless Foundation. Okay, and I'm in the shade 220C. Even foundation pun shade dia macam kurang. So luckily I got my shade. Rasanya kot. Why is it liquidy? Maybe because it's tak tahulah. So this is 28 ml. Wait, ketat mat. Is it supposed to be like this? Is it supposed to be like liquidy? Okay, I can see the coverage there. Can you see the coverage here and this one? I think I need to put it upside down because like I'm confused though. Luckily I got the right shade. Okay, good. Although it's called weightless foundation, it covers. I mean, it's slightly medium coverage, but you can build it out so you can get that full coverage. And I like the bottle. It's very rare. I guess that's all the items that we have in this collection. Oh, sorry. Sephora also gave me this Perfect Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara. Is it the same? Lah, sama mascara juga. But this one is very small. Literally, you can only use for like a couple of try. But look at how small is that. Probably I can bring this to, touch up. So yeah, that's all in this unboxing haul situation. My room is a mess right now, so I have to clean up, okay, and upload this video. Edit and upload. Alright.